Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Markets have just now closed. Both the markets are giving us very good opportunities to make money. I hope you are making as well. One of the stock that's looking very interesting after the closing is DEVA. We can see support is established between 2.55 to 2.60 area. We are seeing good bounces from this zone. It means buyers are still activated here. And then market broke the resistance of 2.63 area. Once the resistance was taken out, it have retested successfully. Today we can see good volumes in DEVA. Buyers are activated here. Tomorrow if it opens flat or with a gap up, there are good chances slowly and steadily we can expect it to see around 2.80 very soon. In case if it comes down for a retest, this would be a buying opportunity, or in case if you have entered at the support, if you want to add more quantities, then this would be the place. Overall, DEVA is looking positive. Gulf Financial House also performed very well today. We can see huge momentum in GFH. It broke the resistance of 1.13. Today's closing is positive at 1.15 with good volumes. I think slowly and steadily there is potential it can touch 1.20. Gulf Financial House is also looking very positive for coming days. And then I have DFM. It have hit the target of 1.65. Previously, if you have seen my analysis, I had mentioned it's just accumulating here in this rectangle chart pattern. Once we saw the breakout, this was a good chance for entry. In case if you have entered right at the breakout, then this is a good place to book your profits. Yes, more upside momentum is expected, but remember 1.163 to 1.16 area is resistance, so it's advisable to book some of your profits here and then let your profits run for the next target. Emaar Properties is in a strong uptrend. I hope you remember my analysis when I had mentioned this is a chance to buy when we saw this breakout, and from here it have moved to the upside. Our targets are achieved. 6.70 is taken out, 6.80 is also taken out. In fact, it touched 6.90. So most of our targets are already achieved in Emaar. Today's candle is looking a bit bearish. We can see some selling pressure. If it establishes support right at current zone, then we can also expect another big move to the upside. As I had mentioned, it can cross 7.00 very soon. We saw some huge volumes in Q holding. It broke the resistance of 2.40 today. Closing is at 2.41. Tomorrow if it opens with a gap up or at least a flat opening, bulls are ready to take it higher. In case if it comes back within the channel, then you know support is at 2.35 area. This should act as support. Again, let it take a bounce. When it crosses, you can enter. Let's see how it performs tomorrow. Most likely, I'm expecting upside momentum. Strong resistance is around 2.50. Pre-side is also looking very interesting. We can see some good buying pressure. Volume was also good today in pre-side. Last candle is bullish. We saw yesterday sellers tried to push the price down. It took support around 3.24. And now bulls are in control. It means that bulls are activated at this zone. Sellers are no more in control. If it opens flat or with a small gap up, this is ready to go up. Now in this scenario, understand the psychology. Bulls are activated. In case if it opens with a big gap down, bulls will get panic and again it can come back within this channel. We have to understand where are the sellers and where are the buyers. Only price action will not help you. You need to understand what's happening when the sellers are in control and how they can control the price. Guys, as you are seeing, both the markets are bullish. It's very good time to make money. In fact, I have proved you with so many examples with my live trades, with my analysis. Market is ready to give you money provided if you are taking initiative. Start from small amount, take small risk, come out of your comfort zone. You can easily make money and start your passive income. So overall pre-side is also looking good. More upside momentum is expected. M-Steel or Arcan, we are seeing bullish price action. Previously we saw it was trading within this descending triangle pattern right at the breakout. This is the place where you should enter. It made a huge momentum to the upside. Look at the price action now. Sellers tried to bring down the price. They brought it exactly at the previous resistance. Market took a bounce from the support zone. Today we are seeing bulls are in control. Similar scenario, we don't want to see any gap down opening. In fact, a gap up opening will help the market. It will push the prices higher. My next target is 1.65 area. Look at RAK Properties, guys. It's in a strong uptrend. Many of my students made huge money in this stock. Today's closing is a bit dodgy, but the best part is it's taking a pause right after this bullish candle. If sellers were aggressive, they would have brought the price down till about 0.925 area, but we can still see bulls are active here. Tomorrow, if it opens with a flat opening or with a gap up, most likely it will cross the resistance of 0.988. I'm seeing this stock will very soon cross 1.00. At the same time, bear in mind, if I go up to weekly chart, we can see it's a bit extended. RAK Properties took a pause around 0.700, and from here we are seeing a strong rally to the upside. So obviously when it hits a strong resistance, we can expect some profit booking, so be ready. A quick entry and exit is recommended in RAK Properties. At Knockports, we know this area is resistance, that is 6.50 area to 6.53 area. This is resistance. Right before the resistance, we are seeing a bullish candle. My students definitely, when they saw this one, they would have bought it. Today, they made good money with this candle. More upside momentum is expected. Any dip should be considered as buying opportunity. Next support is around 6.60. In case if it comes down, wait for a bullish candle with good volumes. Slowly and steadily, I'm expecting it around 6.85. Ishraq Investments today opened with a huge gap up. Understand this psychology and price action. Last candle was green, it means people have already bought it. So very next day when it opens with a big gap up, obviously the guys who bought here are in profit. They want to book their profits, so price comes down, but the closing is still bullish. We cannot consider this as bearish candle. If tomorrow it opens with a gap up, this would definitely cross this resistance of 0.600. This is resistance area. Previously, whenever we are seeing it's trying to cross, it's getting rejected again and again. So Ishraq would definitely want to cross this resistance and go higher from here. Next target should be 0.620 if you have already entered right at the support. At the same time, I have been mentioning Ishraq is supported by this trend line. Whenever it's touching, we are seeing good momentum to the upside. So similar kind of scenario was here as well. I had bought somewhere around here. I sold it right around 0.587. I had shared my trade also. So tomorrow if it opens with a gap up, this is ready to go higher. Else scenario number 2, in case if it opens with a big gap down, buyers will be in panic and they will start selling it. This would be negative. So Ishraq will close below the trend line and this should be considered as negative. But most likely we should not see that scenario. Hopefully it should continue its upside momentum from here. Guys, there are many bullish stocks that are ready to go higher. If I include all the stocks, video will be lengthy. So I would like to end here. I hope you have learned something out of this video. Start investing. It's very good time. Markets are positive. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.